Hello everyone, my name is Sayyed Hassan Ali and today I'm going to discuss about Lab 3. In this lab, we have used SAP applications in which I'm going to show you some steps which are given in our labs task. So let me start with the first screenshot. As you can see, it is the screenshot is displaying customer master data. As mentioned in the lab, I follow that step. Now moving towards the next screen. Afterwards, I pressed F1 button. As you can see in the screen, the F when I press that button, it is showing this screenshot. Now afterwards, I follow these steps and press F2. Uh, the following picture is being shown in the screen. Now moving towards the next screen, which is about the same function like F2 function. I just open the drop down button. Now moving towards the next screen, which is also continue part of F2 button, is you can see the further screenshot as being shown in this screen. Now moving towards the next screen, when after I just press F4 button in the customer, the following business partner uh, number is being shown in the screen. Then it is also the continuous screen of F4. We have several options over there, like different tabs over there we can use in this function. Now moving towards the next screen, which is about like search. Now it is showing now search for the term customer. As you can see the screenshot, which I followed this tab from the lab task. Now moving towards the next screen, which is the continue part. As you can see, the different options are being shown in this screen. So you have option which whatever you want to do. And then afterwards I followed the different steps, as you can see in the different pictures, as shipping and fill, display customer order, double click on the order, display outbound delivery, filters, change overall, and the other and other steps which are I just followed all these steps which were mentioned in the lab task. Like you can see all the steps I have done successfully. Now you can see we can make it. Thank you.